Hey there and welcome back to another video on this channel. So in today's video I will walk you through how to create email marketing campaigns using MailChimp. MailChimp is perfect for beginners looking to grow their audience and automate emails. So let's jump right in. To get started, you have to head over to MailChimp.com and tap on to sign up to use a free account. And here you can see these are the offers here, like MailChimp email marketing, which has 500 contacts. Like you can send up to 6,000 emails each month. Okay, also okay, let's start with this one. So from here you can choose these offers. From here you can see all of these options. So basically the 500 one is $10. Let's see the most one. This is $400 a month. Okay, and just simply tap onto. Then you have to buy, if you want you can buy a plan from here easily, but tap on to buy now, and from there you can buy MailChimp easily. Okay, so here you can see the comparison. So let me show you the ones, free one versus essential, standard and premium packages. So basically MailChimp offers 4 type of packages. Here you can see this free one. You can easily create campaigns and learn more about your customers. You can send emails, but you're sending only pause if contact or email send limit is exceeded. Yeah, on the essential offer, which is around $6.50, is you can see offer terms over ages apply if contact or email send limit to exceed. Then standard one, like you can sell even more with personalization, optimization tools and enhanced automations, which is $10 a month, and you have to pay for $12. Then lastly we can see the premium one, which is $175 a month, and this offers all these options. Okay, so for now let's sign up with the free one. You have to enter your business email, then you have to enter a username, and then you have to create a password for your MailChimp account, and then you have to simply tap on to sign up. So wait until the page loads completely, and once you are logged in and complete your verification, it may ask you for your verification. So let's verify with my Gmail. Okay, so as you can see, my MailChimp, it may be in the trash box, spam box, I guess. So as it is not here, it must be in the inbox. So let's check it out. Okay, let's re-enter my Gmail again. Maybe isn't it on promotions? So wait until it comes. Let's re-enter my Gmail again. As you can see, the code is not showing up to here. You have to enter your password, and then you have to confirm your email. Okay, then you have to tap submit. Wait until the page loads completely, and then you can use MailChimp easily. So MailChimp is really a good site for beginners, and you can send multiple emails using MailChimp to your clients or your customers. Let's see how it goes. Now let's verify our email. Let's try again. There is still no code. I don't know why. There must be some technical issues, I guess. It must be here. let's check in the trash box like all mail. Let's check in the all mail, and it's not showing up to here. So simply search for MailChimp. So as you can see, there's no link here. You just have to go and verify your email, then you will find some options to send emails and customize your offers. Okay, you can import contacts from a file. You just have to paste them, or you can add them manually. Without contacts, your campaigns won't have anyone to send to, so be sure to upload them first. Okay, so these were the basic email automation campaign. Like, you can, after logging in, you can simply tap onto automations from the left sidebar. Here you will find the option after logging in, and then you can choose a pre-built journey or click start from scratch, and you can create a simple welcome series, and you can also give it a title or name like welcome to my email, something like that. So this is how you can do it. You can also design the email sequence. You can build the sequence, like you can build welcome emails. You can also add conditions if you wish to. You can also add delays, condition based on activity or triggers like birthday or product purchases. So this is all how you can do it, and then you have to tap continue or upgrade if needed. You can also choose a layout. You can also choose a layout onto MailChimp. So let me try again. You have to enter your business email. You have to enter your username. Okay, let's log in. Okay, let's try to log in again. Tap onto login. Let's continue with let's tap continue again, and let's see whether it works or not. Okay, maybe it worked. Let's log in again. So let's try to sign up. It may work. Okay, you just have to follow the steps that I told you, and then you can just simply do it. Okay, so just go to MailChimp and sign up for an account, free account, and then you can follow all the steps. So that was it for this video. Make sure to like and subscribe to the channel, and see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Goodbye.